that the units can be measured on the base of base units are known as striped units. For example, area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So you know that the symbol of breadth and the measurement of the breadth is though both are in a meter. So when meter multiply meters make a meter square. So today look out the table number 1.3 physical quantities, unit and symbol. So area is equal to the square meter, meter square. Symbol is meter square. Volume cubic meter, meter have a power of 3. It means that cubic meter. Speed in meter of per second, Which distance we have we cover in a 1 second, that we are measurable. Force Newton, how much we have force push on the thing, how much force we have spent to do our work, also we measure on a Newton is symbol, unit is Newton and symbol is N. Pressure Pascal, electric charge coulomb, that is a speed is equal to the distance by ton. When you measure the speed of anything, you have the time distance divided by how much time have been take and how much distance has to cover. For example, that a person have drive car and in a 1 hour he cover a distance 80 kilometer. So he have divide the 80 kilometer on a 1 hour to find out the per second covered distance. A few driver unit with specific names and symbols are given. SI prefixes. Next one is SI prefixes. The SI is the decimal system. Prefixes are used to written unit by power of 10. The power of 10. It's not a decimal. It's a large amount. Like billion, trillion. That we are used power of 10 to write the large amount into a short form. Okay, the big quantity is like 5 billion meter and a small quantity is like 0.004 are not conversion to be a write down. The use of the prefixes make them simple. The quantities 5 billion meter can be written as 5 multiplied by 10s meter. Similarly, the quantity 0.004 can be written as 4 multiplied by 10 minus 4. This minus 4 show that these are decimal value and it has a 4 value are present before 4. Prefixes are the word or a symbol added before SI units such as millimeter, centimeter, kilo, mega, giga. This is the short units of this units like meter, kilometer. Meter have a millimeter, centimeter, kilo have a gram. So students, the prefixes they are given in a 1.4 should be now as the SI unit effectively. This is the basic. This also have other types. They like a millimeter, centimeter, grams. Okay students, next we have a, for example, 1000. 1 divided by 1000 of a meter is the millimeter. The thickness of the thin wire can be expressed conventionally in a millimeter, where a long distance expressed in a kilometer. Multiply and sub-multiply of the mass here are the given in the table 1.5, where multiply and sub-multiply of a length are to be given. हम कौन सी लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, कौन सी लेंथ को, और मतलब छोटी सी that the smallest thing is to be a measurable in a physical quantity. That we have a touch, we have a feel. It's the some instrument help a scientist invent that to measure the thickness thing and to be a measurable in a physics. So following example will be explain the meaning of our prefixes. So student, page number 10. Example 1, 5000 millimeter divided by 5000 divided by 1000 millimeter is equal to 5 meter. When you have divide 5 meter on a 1000, it's convert into a millimeter. But when you millimeter divided by 100, its answer is equal to 5 millimeter. When you convert meter into a millimeter, multiply by 1000, and when you millimeter convert to a meter, you divide it by 1000. It's a short example of the prefixes. 1.4 table that we use an international system. You have to learn this table. You have learned this lesson. Do your homework. Learn your lesson. And thank you. Allah Hafiz.